We're starting our video today in Haleos. Got the sangria during happy hour. We've all got one apart from Matt. Poor Matt's driving.
Designated driver. Okay, so at the moment it's happy hour, so the sangria is $7 per glass, and it's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm ordering my second, but it is my birthday,
yeah.
So welcome to our next video, and today is my 30th birthday.
It is?
I'm still not sure how I feel about that, like not being in my 20s anymore. It's a bit weird really, like starting a new decade, isn't it?
Yeah, okay.
Well, you're 32,
there,
you're already there, you're already past it a few years, but...
I passed it.
I might not be as coherent later, depending on how many drinks I have today. Trivia question for you. What song is that film off? Point the comments below. Everyone must know this song.
Must do.
Trivia question number 2.
It is very busy today. It's Saturday today, so it looks like everyone's come to Disney Springs.
Birthday. I didn't want to do like a full day in the park. Yesterday was just a quick trip in and out. Just sort out my mum, dad and my brother Joe's annual pass. Yeah. And today I just wanted like a relaxed, chilled day.
Some food and some drink.
Yeah, just like a little walk around Disney Springs, chilled out.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go for a meal later, aren't we, for my birthday?
Yeah. So we're going to head into the world of Disney now, see if they've got anything new since we last came. So it's just as busy inside the world of Disney as it is outside.
It's absolutely crazy, isn't it, at the minute?
Yeah, I can't believe I rammed it today. So these tops are new, they're like a baseball t-shirt, they're very nice. And they're all like
I love all of these tops.
So that one's Cinderella.
It's the year the film came out, so that one.
It's got, oh that's cool, as well, castle, Cinderella Castle.
And they've got this one, Flounder, Area 89. Moana, Hey Hey, and... Pua. 2016. And the last one they've got in this range is this one as well.
That's cool.
Aurora, 1959.
Technically you're all... Cinderella, isn't she? No, Sleeping Beauty, sorry. Sleeping Beauty, again, mixed up.
And they're all $74.99 each.
Oh, they do matching ears as well, so they're like Moana ears. These are the Little Mermaid ears.
It's so hard, that one's nearly.
Cinderella, Last Pearl left. So these are new.
I saw these on the Disney Instagram page.
Oh right, okay.
These Crocs. These are brand new, yeah, they're so cool. $69.99.
I like the little teeth, they're detailed.
They're so cool. And then around the other side.
Oh wow.
Sully.
God, I bet they're warm.
They're like a slipper, aren't they?
Yeah. Well, they're still a Croc, but yeah. They're $74.99.
I think they might always ask one, they're so cool.
Well, they do a Spirit jersey as well. Wow. How much is that?
No price.
Is it a Spirit jersey or not? No, it's not. Oh, it is a Spirit jersey.
Yeah.
Spirit jersey.
Got no price on it.
Yeah, because Disney started doing their own version as well, haven't they? It's not forced to be a Spirit jersey. Yeah. So they've got a new Spirit jersey. Not seen this one before, with like park icons like Tower of Terror, Everest, Winnie the Pooh, Dumbo. And that's a Spirit jersey as well. That's $79.99
as well. They're like a bit retro, like looking, aren't they?
Yeah. The only trouble is I'm unsure about buying things at full price now. You never know what's going to be in the Disney Outlet store, which we will be visiting at some point in this trip. Oh, wow, that's cool. So that's the play in the park range.
$79.99, yeah. Is it on the front?
Oh, that's the back.
That's the back. That's the front. That's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. It's got detail on the arm as well. Walt Disney World. So we've still got all the 2025 range in stock. Nothing really new. But I suppose it all came out at New Year's, so it was all here on our last trip.
We can't see anything new in this range, can we?
No.
I think it's still all the same stuff that we showed at Christmas.
Yeah. Love's just noticed this haunted mansion. That's really cool.
Just like the t-shirt.
Yeah, that'd be cool in a t-shirt. They might do, yeah, we'll have to see. We've got these Crocs. There's lots of new Crocs this time. They're $64.99. Again, like icons from all over the different parks.
I'm waiting for these to go in the character warehouse.
Oh, these Crocs?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the little cable car. That's cool. $64.99. We've got these haunted mansion Crocs as well. Really different. They're $69.99. Oh, there's Crocs everywhere. Plain black ones. They're 60. You got pink. You got Minnie Mouse. They're 60 as well. Oh, this is a cool looking shirt. That was just
That's
fun.
a really nice shirt.
Yeah.
With all the parks on it. Park logos.
Park icons, yeah.
65.
It's nice. It's got monorail on it, all sorts. Tower of Terror. They've really gone big on the park icons at the moment. So a lot of the merch, isn't it?
This is all brand new stuff, so I think they started off with, we vlogged it, didn't we, like that, and then we said how much I love that range.
Yeah.
Well, see, it
Park
must,
icon.
it
You got the
must
Spirit
have
jersey as well, didn't you?
Yeah, it must have sold really well, and
Yeah.
they've also started expanding
Expanding
stuff.
on it.
Yeah.
Well, like that. Look at the back of this one, Mark. Oh, plain. No, I did see one. So this was in the same rail, so I thought that's going to be on the back of that one. So this is a new range that we just noticed. The most magical place on earth range.
You said you keep your snacks in it.
Some new ears. Beach towel. Little Christmas tree ornament. Different. Oh, that's supposed to have this detail as well. New Christmas tree ornament. Sequin t-shirt.
I love this Spirit jersey.
Oh wow, that's really nice. All the characters at the bottom. It's almost a bit like Phantasmic.
In Hollywood Studios, they had a gigantic Mickey Sorcerer hat in the park,
okay.
and that was the icon. I love that.
Which is
So,
that? Right, okay.
no price.
Show the back, alright. No price.
I love this hat as well.
Well, that's cool.
Just simple, but nice. That's 30. So put it in the comments below if you went to Florida and the Hollywood Studios, the gigantic Mickey Sorcerer hat was still there.
Wow, yeah, I've never seen that. I have to,
No,
look,
you
I have to look at
haven't.
some pictures.
That's nice as well.
The trouble is, like, some stuff in the shop doesn't have a price tag on it. This one has. That's $44.99. That's reasonable price, to be fair.
That's nice, I like that.
But the Spirit jersey hasn't
I
got
really
a price.
like that.
I'm guessing
I love that.
85-ish.
I love that. Yeah, there's no price.
No price. Try and find a price on that. So when we came in September, Lowell got this zip-up hoodie, and it's the last one now. So I'm glad she got it when she saw it.
Might be worth it, I want it on eBay. If they're stopping doing it.
There's no way you're going to get rid of that one though.
I bought that from Andy Kingdom, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. Yeah. Just found out Disney have this barcode price scanner. So what you do, you scan the barcode, it tells you how much it is. So this Spirit jersey is $79.99.
We thought it was 80, didn't we?
Yeah, we thought it'd be
That's
about
like the
80.
standard price
Yeah.
for a Spirit jersey, isn't it? Love it.
That's really nice. So if you're in the world of Disney and you're not sure how much something is, look out for these price check QR codes. So if you're on the Disney Wi-Fi, scan this QR code on your phone and open up your Disney Experience app, and it'll tell you how much it is. You can also add stuff to your shopping cart and use the mobile checkout. So if you want to use the mobile checkout, just look for these signs and scan this QR code. Something we've not used before, but if you, instead of queuing in this queue, there's a designated area where you can just take your items and a staff member will check that you've paid on the app. It's sort of like checking your receipt before you leave the store. So yeah, make your way to the exit and follow these signs, and somebody will check the app to make sure you paid and scanned everything. Just seen this really cool Toy Story top. This says Blast Off on the front and it's Buzz, and then on the back it's Woody's Roundup. I've just made it to eat. It's right next to the Christmas shop in the corner. It's tucked out of the way, and Ayla Sandwich is just there. We're just waiting for happy hour to start, aren't we?
Yeah, my mum, dad and brother have gone to a sandwich for a bite to eat, and we're going to go here and have something, aren't we?
Yeah.
share a couple of dishes, I think.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It was really nice last time.
We better have everything eaten, don't we?
Yeah, no,
we had some porridge first thing this morning. That's all we've eaten all day.
Yeah.
So we're definitely ready.
Yeah. Turns out the happy hour only runs Monday to Thursday, 2 till 5 now. So unfortunately, we've missed out on the happy hour on this
It was
trip.
every day. You found an Instagram post.
Yeah.
So it was every day, but now it's just Monday to Thursday.
Yeah, unfortunately. You're gonna enjoy the poutine anyway.
Yes, we're gonna share a poutine.
Yeah. Poutine has arrived. Really looking forward to this.
Yeah, I'm ready after a few drinks. So to eat.
Yeah. So we just finished our poutine. It was lovely. Really, really nice. I think we're gonna have that every time we come, as long as they keep doing it. So yeah, great meal. So just coming to the Art of Disney shop, they have got this statue. It's brilliant.
Coolest ornament ever.
So it's a replica from the Haunted Mansion ride. I don't know how it's working. It's like projecting onto the globe. It's brilliant.
$199.
Yeah, $199.
That's amazing, that as well.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
It's not very loud. I don't know if you can turn it loud.
Yeah.
Time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Let's take this roadhouse. You have to do it quick though because the music's blasting. We've just had the cinnamon honey butter bread rolls. They're delicious bread rolls. The butter we're not so fussed about, are we?
No, we don't have the butter.
Yeah, but it's nice, really nice. So, and they're unlimited, so yeah, fill your boots.
Oh my god, our food has arrived. I've had the smokehouse burger. Mom's had steak with baked potato. Dad has had the smoked pulled pork.
Loaded fries.
And loaded fries. And you've had pulled pork as well.
Yeah.
It looks amazing. So your first meal ever at Texas Roadhouse, what do you think to it?
That was amazing. Oh, so
Really
full.
nice.
You loved it, didn't you?
Yes.
Both of you?
Yeah, definitely
Yes.
come here again.
So you'd highly recommend it to anybody?
Oh gosh, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, check that menu out.
Thank you for watching this video. Join us on the next one. We're on our first ever cruise. We're leaving from Port Canaveral. So Laura's birthday celebrations definitely haven't stopped yet.
So we're on a 4-day cruise to the Bahamas on the Carnival Glory. We have never ever been on a cruise before.
Nope.
So we'll end this video here. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. The grottiest window.